You excited? I guess they already had an A collar on that, didn't they? It's not the right size. It looks like a 14.
It's 14.
Huh?
It's 14.
So has he cut the hole? Yeah. So here was my plan. We were going to hang it
Not do it.
like right here.
Hang it.
That was my plan. My dad's plan is to just set it on the ground.
Yeah. This said right here is where we could go through the floor. And he's asked me, I'm like, I don't know anything about this job.
So yeah, that's the plan my dad came up with. So I guess we'll have furnace, coil, plenum, and then a piece of 8x10 going up through the floor, so we connect the 4 runs for upstairs to it. So yeah.
Huh.
95%, 60,000. What? That's one way to run a pump.
Why not just take that out?
I guess because I didn't need to.
It just looks horrible.
Alright, well, let's get the furnace opened up and set. This is why I wanted to hang it. I don't think we're going to have hardly any room.
Carrie, what? You take this plate off of it. I guess we won't. We all need some rubbers.
We got the furnace leveled. And we'll bend all these tabs up so we can set our coil on it. Thankfully, this coil is extremely short, which usually doesn't happen with Train or American Standard. So we might actually have some room. Yeah, I just
The first time ever.
barely missed that. Yeah, I mean usually the damn coil is as big as the furnace. Got our screws in the side of the coil. Not going anywhere. Now, gotta cut that out.
We're going with this side.
Well, let's think about it first, actually, because we got the gas line right there. So it's gonna come over, down, and we also have. I thought there was some already ductwork here. I guess there's not. So we're gonna come up and probably split with the duct, and then we got the one coming off the top for the upstairs. So that puts a lot on that side with the duct and the the gas line. So I think we'll do this side. Let me just come around and put a box on the side of the coil, on the side of the filter, and just drop into it. I need to get my duculator. You have your duculator?
No.
I'll grab mine a little bit. Can you count how many runs there are down here? Or for the downstairs? I know there's 4 upstairs.
Upstairs.
Or whatever you gotta do.
Next level.
Just count so and try to go up there and find the refrigerator. Because this is the ductwork that's coming off the top of this to go upstairs is going behind the refrigerator, and they're going to box it in. So
he showed me where it was going up there.
So go up there, find the refrigerator, and then count how many are on this side of the refrigerator and how many are on this side of the refrigerator, so I can figure out what size duct we're going both ways. I know we're going with 8x10 going up. Could probably go with 8x8 honestly, because we just need to get 300 CFM up there. I don't know. Figure it out. Hole cut my filter. Never again will I use a 12-volt drill to do that. He did that one time. He started taking off. I'm like, dude, just flip it over. What are you doing? I need that little rubber out the other side. Right there.
Run in there.
Yeah, I'd planned on adding one to the living room because I think there's only one, isn't there?
Yeah. On that side of the house, there's. If we added that one, it'd be 3. And on this side, I guess this used to be part of the return. I think we could make that another register. That would give us a total of 6 on that first stairs, and then we got the 4 upstairs.
Okay.
Sure, we can still add.
Done. Alright, we got the switch in. Now we gotta go pick up all of our duct work so that we can get started on that. See what else we're gonna need that I didn't write down. The box on the coil, plenum, return, hooked up, and it's got to make a little piece of metal for right there. And we'll have a collar on the top of it that runs over to right there. Plenum. Gotta cut a hole there. Okay, we got one takeoff in, or start collar. Get the other one put on this side. And then we got one to put up here, which is retarded, but that's what we're doing. Both of these are in. Got a hole cut up there. Or start calling one up. And there we go. Alright. The ductwork for this side hung up. We got one of the pieces going up, put in. Just gotta hang this one and figure out what we're doing with that. I mean, I guess we'll just swoop it around and up and in.
Yeah.
About the only option.
I like the swooping option.
And here's our gas. It's already reduced to 1/2 inch. The plug. Take it this way and that way. Of course, we find Zach with a grinder.
That's not important.
Okay, I got 3 takeoffs. And on this side, I got 3 more to put on this side. I gotta fix this duct. It's not level at all. And then Zach's got 4. He's about to cut in up there. So we'll see where we get today. It is 3:15, so about 45 more minutes. All right, we got all the takeoffs for down here cut in.
If you take it upstairs, you can see where we got started.
And then upstairs we got started on getting the takeoffs cut in. But so we're going to stop today. So we did pretty good for today, considering we really had no idea what we were going to do when we got here. So it's not too bad. We got to put this in maybe right here or something to get some heat down here, since it's going to be a 90% furnace and there's nothing down here. So that's where we're going to stop today. So far it's turned out pretty good, I guess. That's for, I think this is pointless up here because the contractor that's remodeling the house ran 4-inch flex and drywalled it in to where we can't change it. So we're hooking 6 to 4 and hoping the upstairs will stay kind of comfortable. I don't know. It is what it is. I told him when I originally came here and looked at it that we need to change it, and he, I guess, didn't think it mattered. So the duct's going to run up right here.
Just look like a treat on it.
Yeah.
We're going to need 90s
Okay.
because this literally is going to be smacking into that wall.
Now you know these aren't going to go on the edge of this, right? You just got to put right there. What we're about to do is run a little bit of 6-inch and hook to it. That's what those are for. Took the 6 and 4 together. It's very stupid.
Just go 4-inch roll. Yep, it is definitely time to go.